Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and today I'm sharing a craft kit that has become a staple in our home. As a mom always looking for creative outlets for my daughter, I'm constantly on the lookout for activities that are engaging, fun, and don't result in a week-long cleanup. The product in the spotlight today is the Klever Kids Unicorn Soap Making Kit, a set that promises to bring a little magic into the craft routine. In this review, I'll share my honest take on this kit, exploring its highlights, its standout educational aspects, and how it holds up in practical use. From the initial unboxing experience to the pride in our finished creations, we'll cover it all, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your little artist's next project. Hi everyone, it's Sarah here, and today I want to share something that turned into a total game changer for our household craft nights, the Klever Kids Unicorn Soap Making Kit. As a mom to a 7-year-old daughter who lives and breathes anything unicorn related, I'm always on the hunt for activities that spark her imagination without leaving glitter on every surface of my house for weeks. When I spotted this kit for just $13, I was skeptical about what we'd actually get for that price, but honestly, it blew my expectations out of the water. The box arrived packed with everything we needed, no last-minute runs to the craft store for supplies we forgot. There's something genuinely special about watching your kid's eyes light up when she realizes she's not just making soap, but creating her own magical, scented masterpieces that she can actually use in the bath later. What immediately impressed me was how the whole process felt like it hit that sweet spot between fun craft and actually educational. The kit comes with these adorable unicorn molds, a rainbow of colors, several scents that actually smell amazing, not that artificial stuff that gives you a headache, and clear glycerin base blocks. My daughter was immediately drawn to the mixing and blending aspect, which honestly felt more like a mini science experiment than just a craft project. We ended up talking about how heat changes the soap from solid to liquid and back again, which is exactly the kind of sneaky learning I love. She thought we were just making soaps, but we were doing chemistry. The instructions are straightforward and written in a way kids can actually follow, which meant I wasn't stuck reading every single step. As a busy mom, I appreciate that this kept her completely engaged for over an hour, which is basically a miracle these days. From a practical standpoint, I'd say this kit is perfect for ages 6 to 10, though I could see an older kid getting into the design aspect too. My 7-year-old handled most of it herself with just basic supervision, and I felt comfortable letting her pour colors and mix scents independently once I handled the microwave melting. The actual soap making happens fast, maybe 30 seconds in the microwave for each block of glycerin, and then you're pouring immediately. One thing I learned quickly: you really do need to move fast once it's melted. The first time we made these, I hesitated and the soap started thickening in the pouring cup, which was a good lesson for both of us about reading ahead. The kit recommends adult help for the melting step, which I completely agree with since the soap gets hot, but after that, it's pretty much kid-led fun. We made about 8 full-sized unicorn soaps plus some little rainbow samples, and we still had plenty of supplies left over. Let me talk honestly about what worked brilliantly and what required a bit of troubleshooting. On the plus side, the scents are genuinely lovely: vanilla, strawberry, and something like grapefruit, and they don't smell cheap or overpowering. The colors blend beautifully, and we got these amazing marbled effects by adding drops of different colors together. My daughter loved the glitter, of course, and it suspended perfectly in the soap without sinking to the bottom. The finished soaps hold their shape well and actually lather nicely in the bath. However, the learning curve about temperature was real. The first few soaps we made had a few bubbles because we overheated the glycerin in the microwave. Reviewing the temperature guidelines, I learned to check every 15 seconds instead of following the exact timing. The soap also sets up incredibly fast once it's cool, like 2 minutes in the freezer fast, so you need to stay on top of layering if you're doing rainbow swirls. Also, the molds are flexible enough that popping the soaps out is easy, but you need to wait until they're fully hardened or they'll lose their shape. Looking at the cost versus value, I honestly think $13 is an absolute steal for what you're getting. For comparison, a single specialty soap at our local boutique runs about $6 or $7, and this kit makes multiple unique pieces. We've used ours as birthday party activities, rainy day projects, and even as a special mommy and me craft night. Beyond the cost savings, the real value is in the experience and the pride my daughter feels showing off her creations to family members. We've also turned it into a gifting opportunity. She made soaps for her teacher during Teacher Appreciation Week, and we packaged some in little cellophane bags with ribbons for neighbors. It's low mess compared to something like slime making, and cleanup is straightforward. Just rinse the molds and beaker with hot soapy water. The whole kit stores compactly in the original box, which I appreciate since we're drowning in craft supplies. Ultimately, this kit earned a permanent spot in my gift drawer because it checks every box. Engaging, educational, relatively mess free, and genuinely fun for both kids and adults. I've already bought two more as backup gifts because I know we'll be asked to make these again. The combination of creativity, the magical unicorn theme, and the science aspect makes it stand out from typical craft kits. My daughter has asked to make these 3 weekends in a row, which is unheard of in our house. For any parent looking for an activity that doesn't involve screens, doesn't require a ton of setup, and actually results in something usable and beautiful, I can't recommend this enough. It's become our go to for I'm bored moments, and watching my kid's confidence grow as she experiments with color combinations and scent mixes has been honestly priceless. If you're on the fence, just get it, especially if you have a unicorn loving kiddo who needs a creative outlet that doesn't involve permanent marker on your walls. That's our experience with the Clever Kids Unicorn Soap Making Kit. If you enjoyed this magical craft review, please like and subscribe so you won't miss our next creative adventure. Remember, the best moments are the ones we make together. Happy crafting, everyone.